traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the markets are going to react on the 2nd of February 2021 post the budget, and we are also going to discuss how we made 87k today with the minimal risk, and also I'm going to explain to you as a follow-up as to what happened on Friday and what event that occurred today that has changed the swing for the market. If you want to make the same profits that we are making, please visit www.rltrgroup.com and join us tomorrow to make similar profits. And also you have a link to the Telegram below. You can join the link and see how our progress has been so far, and push in the button to go ahead and share it to a lot of people so that they get the benefit from copying our live trades. So today 87k, a quick one. So we were on a small range. We had reduced our quantity by 1/4 today because we were playing with a volatile market. It had given us an 87k and we walked out of the market from 1 o'clock, and after that we didn't care. But what happened over here was this, that here when there was an initial breakout that I was talking to you guys about Friday, and that breakout did occur over here somewhere around 10:45. That's when I told my participants to actually come into the position and see how things are going. But then there was another follow-up of a breakout over here which actioned the entire force for the rest of the day. And on these two candles is where we booked some decent amount of profit with a very small quantity. So the other most important thing that I want to tell you as to how the market is going to be faring tomorrow is that once we come to the daily candle, now this is another Nirmala Sitharaman effect candle that has happened, and Banknifty has broken all the ranges here. So if I go ahead and plot them over here right from the top, so the Banknifty has breached the high and it's right now already on the new highs. So what would then happen here is very simple. So we will take a fib on the most recent retracement and see as to where it is going to consolidate. So when Banknifty is going to be moving up tomorrow after the high of current day, we can see some round number touches of 34,000. So what you need to do is you need to be very, very careful that whenever there is a big candle here, there would be few shadow candles and there would be some consolidation before it breaks out. So don't lose your brains in going ahead with a massive position tomorrow, but ensure that you keep your positions light and maintain the efficiency of getting this thing done. So what is my plan for tomorrow? I'm on the CE side. I'll be looking for more opportunities on the CE front, and I will be seeing as to what the market would react after it breaks the day's high. Because today, of course, we were relating to our Indian markets, but from tomorrow we are going to follow the global cues. So please be very careful as to how you trade right now. We are already on the top, and anything can happen. But there is one thing that you can do. You can join us and be with knowledgeable individuals who are actually trading live and share their live trades. So you can join them, you can copy their trades, learn how they master this market and how they become successful. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next video. Jai Hind. Take care of your loved ones.